Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chinonso. So today I'll be teaching you how to apply and get monetized on TikTok. So let's just go to the app. Go to the main TikTok app. Go straight to your profile. So this is the profile. This is it, and as you can see, I've just met one of the monetization requirements, which is 10,000 followers. So first of all, let's check out the account. Let's go to settings, click on accounts, click on account information. So as you can see, this is a UK TikTok account. So let's just go back. So now go to TikTok Studio. Let's click on TikTok Studio here. So this is the TikTok Studio dashboard, and as you can see, the creator reward program here. So let's go to the creator reward program to check for the requirements. So guys, this is the creator reward program dashboard, and as you can see at the top here, you're eligible to join. So, and I've met all the 3 requirements they needed for it. So these are the 3 requirements needed for you to join the creator reward program. First is be at least 18 years old. The second one is have at least 10,000 followers. Then the last one is have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So as you can see, I've met all these requirements, but before you click on this join, you just have to go back and check your account. Just cross check your account by clicking on account check. So just have to check if there is any video that is restricted. So just click on account check. So as you can see, the thing is scanning already. So just wait more. So guys, as you can see over here, account in good standing. So this means that you're good to go to apply for the monetization. You just have to go back and let's go to the creator reward program. So guys, this is the creator reward program dashboard, and to apply for the monetization, just click on this red button, join. So guys, as you can see, they have just accepted my application instantly. So as you can see over here, congratulations, you have joined the creator reward program. So okay, so this is the dashboard. I only need to verify and set up payment method. So this is it. So this is how to apply and get monetization on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.